you alive and well.
Amen. Here's your new dog. You can take him home with you.
That's what I should have done, was knocked it first to knock the bees off the
I won't be mad.
queen.
He's a nice little dog.
I told him we didn't really need it anyway. He said he could take it to the shelter or something. Yeah.
That helps you get her out, don't it?
Yeah, they can see down through
Yeah,
there.
that's your dog. He acts like it. He's been following me the whole time I've been transplanting flowers down on the tree.
Good looking queen.
Huh?
She's the longest one in there. Right there. See the longest one?
Yeah, yeah.
Now she'll go twice the size. Once they start feeding her, once they start feeding her, she'll get dang near about the size of a freaking hornet.
She will.
Oh yeah, she'll get
Good buddy.
Now you pretty much put the queen in the center of the, as much in the center of the box as you can, I guess.
yeah. Because I'm gonna dump most of the I better twist that. I don't want. Yeah.
Creeping out the hole slowly, ain't they?
Take that. You're gonna put that in your syrup bottle.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can just take it to the house and when I get back with it, feed her.
Yeah.
Mix it up.
Just mix it up with regular water or spring water or
Well, you're not doing it no different than what you do.
cold water or hot water.
I just mixed it with lukewarm water.
Did you?
It mix up real good.
Yeah.
I try to get them going down in those springs.
Uh-huh.
Brush that one off the top of my head, babe.
That one, I don't see it. I moved
Okay.
and walked.
Well, I was worried about where I've already been stung there. It seems like what they like to do. They like to get my daggone hair for some reason. They listened to you. They didn't want to listen to me. Which I didn't have any smoke either.
See, I'm half Italian.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. My mom was a Ferrari. So, you know,
Yeah.
kinship there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put mine in, didn't use any smoke or nothing. Just spritzed them down with that water and
Sometimes, well, the smoker, sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but I like having it. You almost got to have that brush. Once you get them started, you know what I mean? Start
Right.
them in the frames.
Yeah, yeah.
I do this because they got a tendency to just go right up and ball up.
Uh-huh.
Oh, definitely.
You know?
Definitely.
First one slapped me in the forehead, I'm out of here.
Well, coyotes and stuff don't want to get in there. Do you know?
Coyotes, bears, and Don. No.
Bears would be the only thing you really have to worry about, I think.
I'll tell you what works pretty
never
well.
seen a
If you
bear
got
on Sugar
skunks
Creek, but-
around, skunks will
I've-
bother them sometimes.
Will they?
Yeah.
We don't have many skunks.
No, you don't like you used to.
No.
They do still in Eleanor, Putnam County.
Yeah,
There's
no,
lots.
yeah, down in there and Mason County,
Yeah,
you see a lot of
well, I had a lot of them around
Did
me.
you?
Every time I'd go down the road, I'd smell them.
Yeah.
You know what you
yeah.
can do to keep skunks from getting in them?
What?
Take those carpet strips with the tacks that stick up,
Yeah.
set them in front of the hive, because what a skunk does, stands here at the side and starts clawing the thing, and as they come out, they eat them.
Oh, is that right?
Uh-huh.
Put some carpet strips down there, huh?
Yeah, right in front of it.
Yeah.
They don't bother them.
Brush it one off the back, baby. Blow my neck. I think it's in, I don't know, it might be in my hair.
Should be good to go.
I hear one ticked off.
Now that entrance, do you leave it out when you got your feeder going, Don?
Yeah, you can. What you would do if you had your feeder on it in another hive,
Yeah.
you put the feeder in like this, and then you would put the feeder in this slot
Yeah.
and leave just a crack open about that big.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That way they'd be going in and out. So you got a hive over here.
Right.
That way they can protect it better.
Yeah.
But yours is far enough apart. You can still do it like that if you want, but you
Yeah.
want at least a quarter-inch
Yeah. Leave
or
that.
whatever.
Leave
Yeah.
that open there and put the feeder in the other slot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's the feed?
How you have to keep them fed?
So they get a. It takes 5 pounds of honey for 1 pound of wax. So that's your brush.
How they get their stuff.
Once you see them
No.
drawing wax on the 7th or 8th frames, that way it helps them.
So what do you feed them? I mean, what's the mix?
Sugar syrup, 1-on-1.
1-to-1 sugar syrup?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Cup of sugar and a cup of
Water.
water?
Yeah.
Just put it in the jar, huh?
Mm-hmm. You gotta fill it all the way up, because if it don't have that vacuum, it will leak.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's it.